Hi, today we are starting this workshop for Sonix Car Decor. Along with me are the founders of the company. I'll go to them and straight away dive into the requirement of this workshop and what they expect out of this entire exercise today. Over to you.
Hi sir, this is Syed Shahid. So, my expectations from your side, we have planned to have 100 stores in 2 years,
ठीक है,
India wide.
ठीक है.
So, बाद में we can expand out of the country also.
Yes, internationally.
So, we have the hope to go with you.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, the 200 expectations of setting up franchise is a great franchise, is a great expectation. But what is the thing that you want to achieve today? You must have thought of a lot of questions, you must have ideated, we've sent you this questionnaire, you've given us answers on this. And there must have been some discussion amongst yourselves कि आज हमको ये चीजें समझनी है. So what are those? What are the primary things that you would want to understand?
Initially, during the journey of 3 franchises, we have a lot of struggles we have faced. So, due to lack of expertise,
Okay.
so I think we don't have any technical sources which we don't know.
Yeah.
So the technical sources where comes with franchisee allotment, legal things we don't know about that.
Yeah.
So there are I think many things which I don't know.
Yeah.
Still, I think I am in experimental mode.
Okay. Yeah, so this is what happens with most businesses. You end up giving out franchises because relatives, friends, people have shown interest in your business, and you've given away 1 or 2 franchises, and that's when you start understanding, hey, I'm not completely prepared. I need to work professionally. I need to have systems in place. I need to have complete understanding to be able to franchise correctly. And I think Sonix is standing at that place where you already have 3 franchises in place,
correct.
but you need to now professionalize this, structure this properly, and ensure that, if you have to go to 200, these have to become successful, and we need to set up the foundation correctly. We're going to do that today. Any specific instructions, any specific thing from your side that you would want to introduce yourself, help us know what is your...
Hello, myself Sheikh Ahmed Sohail, and I'm working as an administrator in this company, Sonix Car Decors. And today I just want to learn many things from your end. As we have started this, we don't know many things in this. So we are expecting to learn like how to do recruitments of the staff and how to manage staff and how to manage stock and all for all of these franchisees and how to expand more and we want to explore many things from your end.
Fantastic. Great. So there is some bit of groundwork already in place, and now we'll align this correctly and set Sonix on a high franchise growth path. I'm excited in starting this workshop. Let's get started. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Franchising your business in the car decor and accessories business is a challenging task in India. And that's what we've discussed today here with Sonix, a very, very interesting brand from Andhra Pradesh. Along with me is the founder of the company, Mr. Shahid, and I'll straight away go to him and ask him as to what is the feedback of this workshop, and have we discussed the challenges of the industry, and how have we circumvented those through a franchising model, and what does the road ahead look like for him. Over to you, Shahid.
Hi. Actually, I have offered 3 franchises before, but there was no roadmap, a proper roadmap with me. So I consulted and today morning, and I have discussed many things. Amit Naha sir have listened me every challenge what I have explained, and he also explored me many ideas, and my mind was in blind spot. So the everything, the strategies, the challenges, how to face, the regularities, and the modules which has to be followed, everything has been explained very clearly. So now we have the hope to go further and expand our brand, mostly in India and also international wide also.
Great. You've been making notes today. You also had a lot of doubts and a lot of questions during this workshop. Over to you in terms of what has been your key takeaways from this workshop. And does the model look clear to you? In the morning you said you wanted to be very clear about everything. So does it all seem falling in place now?
Yes, things are falling in place now. What I am taking here from today's this workshop is to build a brand, to build a brand like Sonix. We need a system. First, we need to build. What we need to build is the system, and with that system only, we can go ahead. And that system, we have. Today we got that system from Amit Naha sir. So I'm very thankful to Amit Naha sir. Thank you.
Great. So we'll get started with the Sonix Car Decor franchise expansion, and I'm excited to take this brand forward. And I'm sure that we'll be creating amongst the earliest brands in this category because we don't have too many multi-brand accessory franchise companies in India who do end-to-end of entire car accessories and the entire fit outs of cars and additional things that are required. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.